discuss a matter of say if you as a lady whether you go feel marry man when it be say they outside Nigeria and 2 times when I see in a year. Say that if you want to talk something, talk and quick.
No, I be what say this was long. I did one boy where he dey stay for.
Why be saying all the now?
For yonder, no.
How many people you don't date? You date for London, you date for Lagos.
You know how that
yeah, datist.
Yes, I like dating. But leave this matter. I was staying on the mainland. He was staying past, like, towards that Chevron side.
Okay.
Again, I am single now because it was a long-distance relationship. With traffic, this one, we don't feel they see that much. So, see now.
No, to me, see, make I talk my mind before I read this tweet message. Make I talk my mind. If you date somebody, to me, and not see you like in a week or 2, we not they do anything.
We are friends.
Now friends we don't be. Now whenever we see, hey, we did this that time, oh yeah, now we'll continue because you not get how you go tell me say, I can't see you, I'm busy. You get what in the talk say. If you want to see somebody, if you want to create, you go make time
for that
but
person.
if you're not fit, you go create excuse for that person. So,
exactly.
Madam, not beside they say your husband. I just they say it is well with you. For on top Twitter or for Paul say now for East that kind things plenty pass because of arranged. Now make me talk Igbo girls. For arranged marriage, the man go just show once, knock the woman belly.
Come on.
Then come on. Hello from the Sherry. Good evening.
Nedu.
My sister.
Nedu. You people are forgetting one fact that some people are married to marine engineers. And you know their work takes them out of the country.
Okay.
They will travel on board. They will go to the ship. They will spend 4 months. 4 months on, 4 months off. Sometimes they might go far. As far as Manzalino. That's very, very far.
You look well experienced.
Madam, your husband is a marine engineer.
Yes. Yes.
How many times do you see your husband in a year?
Sometimes twice, sometimes thrice, sometimes 4 times. It depends.
How many?
Like
How long does he stay?
Like how long in they stay when he come?
3 months.
Madam, your own day different.
We said this one, the person go
finish. You understand? What will they talk now? The one who say you just come. Maybe stay like 1 or 2, 3 days. Highest 1 week, it don't go.
No. That one is not good.
Now will they talk?
Having an affair outside there. If he's not having an affair, if his mind is at home, he's supposed to come and spend 2 or 3 months here.
Wow, thank you. Now what will they talk?
The children will know him. They will know his paroles. Everything he's doing during the period of that 3 months is under your own monitoring.
Exactly.
Anywhere he's going, you know. You know his account details. You know his work.
Madam, account detail. Hey! Very important account detail.
Now you now. All this way where you know they. Not be me they manage this. I got to know everything.
As they
you
go.
understand?
As they go. No, Allah, thank you very much. Good night.
I carry Katim go. I think she stay for.
No, we send them collect too.
Okay, she there for subsidized rate.
Now subsidy. Subsidy don't carry her go.
Beg go.
All right, now thank you very much. Good night. On top Twitter, General Indo say, now serious war show it not possible at all. Anybody where they do them, they say they walk. It need Jesus.
I think a lot of couples are in denial. A lot of Nigerian couples are in denial. People want to marry these days for the sake of, I'm married, I want to post. They are in denial. A lot of people are living fake lives. Don't let people deceive you. Don't let other girls tell you, my husband lives abroad, he just sends me money. Say, lie, she's miserable as hell.
And lonely.
I'm lonely.
Lonely.
But not true. Anyway, as they come and say that, time not there.
No worry, I'll come again. I go come again.
Say I go still come back again. Maybe tomorrow, next tomorrow, but she go still come back again. In fact, now she be the next catty. Now all of us now in the run this show. If you want to follow Sarah on top Twitter, at official Sarah Ophile. And then if you want to follow Giselle.
At Gango100.
G-Angel.
No, it's not Angel, it's Angle. G-Angle.
G-Angle. G-Angle.
G-A-N-G-L-E.
And then on top Twitter too, I beg, any woman where say she go do the Bobo US, after all the thing gets meter. Well,
what?
My brother. I didn't know for look this message before I read that. One lady in man leave go live for US for 8 years. The lady still they wait for him.
Hey, yeah.
Hey, yeah. Lanzo from Sierra Leone. Hey, from Sierra Leone, well done. No. Now, the matter what you try to talk as they come up for inside studio, you go talk your own. For me, if I dey follow you do boyfriend and girlfriend, I know they see you, like, if in 1 week, if I not see you at least 2 times, forget I will not do anything. I want to talk 2 times, 3 times, I dey like, if I want turn for bed, yeah, you know, make my fletch. Touch another fletch.
Another fletch.
You understand? I dey like that kind of thing. How you come to me say, I beg. I don't want to talk. Talk before we come out, John.
Okay, well.
Talk, man.
Okay. I think, first of all, there has to be a legitimate reason for being away at all.
Okay.
Then the away should not please, my husband, they beg you. The away should not pass.
If the away should not pass away.
Oh my God.
3 weeks, please, max. 3
Then
weeks.
you come back, you can't stay where.
Yes.
They can't recharge battery.
Thank you.
Anyway, that's what we're going to do, and that's the much we're going to take for today. But that. My name is Nedu, Sarah, Ophelia, Giselle, and DJ Elizabeth. Till tomorrow, good night. Bye-bye.